Hey everyone, Phil, 33 Mile Bees, coming to you from the new North Yard, as I'm calling it. Brought these up a couple weeks ago, moved up 4 swarms. One was pretty decent size, so I ended up putting that into a 10 frame deep, and the rest are in these nukes. Brought some extra equipment up. I'm going to go through these, see if they need any more room. Moved up to a 10 frame, anything like that. Unfortunately, still trying to figure out this whole thing of having a separate apiary. So forgot my smoker. Go figure. But I think I got everything else. So let's see what we got here. So going into the first one, and I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time because it is still hot up here in Michigan. All right. That up there. Wow, this one is looking full and very full. I'm guessing this one is going to have to get moved up to a 10 frame. Pull out this end frame here. And sorry about the wind noise if that's coming through. Wind's kind of picking up here a little bit, which actually feels pretty good. All right, so this frame got a nice brood pattern. She already has some capped, relaying all the way out. Nice, nice crown of honey on there. Don't really see a whole lot else on the other side. And let's see what we got on the next frame here. Hope everybody can hear me okay. Trying out a new wireless microphone. That looks like a pretty good brood pattern. I would definitely say this queen's doing pretty good. It's going to blow up here pretty soon. So I am thinking I'm going to put this one into a 10 frame. Because I don't know how often I am actually going to get up here to this apiary. It's going to be once a week, or maybe probably once every other week. Let's just set that. Let's set it right in the way, so that way you guys can't see what's going on. How about that? All right, let's go. Yes. Bottom board. Got some brand new boxes. Equipment finally came. Got it painted. Trying the Premier Foundation. It's not the extra heavy wax, just the heavy waxed. I'm going to try and give that a shot. See how they like that. All right, so we can put this one back in. Yeah, let's do that. Do the 2 outside frames, the new ones. All right, here's the next frame here. And nice looking brood. Don't see her yet. All right, a hive tool. See what the next one looks like. Again, real nice brood pattern. That one probably from there probably looks a little spotty, but they are all filled. She's got eggs all the way out to this edge here, all the way around. Those are all eggs. Still don't see her, but know that there's eggs in there. Know she's in there. And what I'm going to do is put a new frame right there in the middle. And some people probably say that's bad to do it that way, but that's how I do it. And then as they build that new frame out, she's got immediate room for more brood. And this frame, got a little bit of eggs on it. I have to probably ask you guys to see if you happen to have spotted the queen. And she's here on the last frame. Yep, and she's right here. Nice caramel color. Nice big old queen. All right. Then in there, I'll slide this frame over. And put this other new one. All right. Rest of the bees in there. Whoop, didn't mean to get all that crap in there. We'll clean it out though. We'll just set that in front just for a few minutes. All right, what I'm gonna do, put this down. Help them get building. New frames. Give them some sugar water and a little bit of Hive Alive in there. That should give them a little bit of a boost, like that. New lid on top. All right, going on to the next one. Nope, I got an ant problem back here. Okay, though. All right, what do we got? Building up quite nicely. This one I gave them the bigger swarm, so I gave them 5 drawn comb and 5 new ones. And this frame fell down in. There we go. So we're just going to take a look at these ones. This box, I'm going to have to do a repair to this one or something. Frames are falling down in. All right, so nothing built on that. Oop. And again, one of my other videos, these Dadant frames that came, I'm not exactly too happy with them. They're kind of falling apart. The ones that are falling down in. They did start building it out though. Let's see what happens with that. All right. I know I said I was going to do the first 3. somewhere along the line, camera cut out. Probably got a message or something and shut the video off on me. So I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to go through this last hive here real quick, get some sugar syrup on them, and whoa. Yeah, I don't know if these ones are going to need sugar syrup. Let's see here what we got. They are building out good on this one. Oh yeah, that one's dry. All right, yeah, we'll give them some sugar syrup. These guys and gals are nice. The other ones were real nice because I don't have my smoker. Yeah, it's full of nectar. Ooh, and we got brood. That is a good laying pattern, and we're not going to give them any sugar syrup because they are backfilling that. Oh, I'm sorry, ladies. I'm doing horrible today at this. That side, very beautiful. I can say, North Apiary, all these very gentle genetics, obviously, as I keep bumping their frames left and right. Well, don't see her yet. Let's see if she's on this last one. Bread. Yeah, I said I'm just doing a quick scan. Not doing anything fancy. Nice. Fuzzy newborns. A good pattern. See eggs. Eggs are all that matter. So if I had to guess, she's probably on the wall somewhere, or I just overlooked her. So put this back together. This one looks good. And let's see, what was this one? Yeah, that one had all the nectar on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one that was dry, has a little bit of nectar, not much. Put that in here so she can expand the brood. Get out there, ladies. All right. I'm still going to give them the sugar syrup. I got it mixed up. Might as well. I'm just going to have to make sure I get out here again next week and take the empty feeders off. This one, yeah, probably this one here. Probably going to have to go to a 10 frame deep. And that one there is going to need a bucket of sugar syrup comes next week. So I'm going to grab a bucket. Be right back. All right. Here it's got good suction. All right. So they are good. So we got syrup on 3 out of the 4. I don't have a way of adding to the 4th one. I don't want to just leave the bucket sitting on the inner cover like that without the telescoping cover on the top of it. So I'll take that bucket back and bring it back up next time I'm up. So they might be a little slightly behind, but not a big deal. So Thanks for watching. This is Phil, 33 Mile Bees, roasting up here in Michigan with some record temperatures. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff that everybody always asks for. Got any questions? Please feel free to leave them in the comments below and help build the algorithm and get my videos out there. Again, have a good day. Catch you on the next video.